What's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the best school cheats to use at school. On your school Chromebook, whatever laptop you use at school, these will work for you. But before I get into today's tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can hit 50,000 subscribers. Also, when I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be releasing a really cringy video of me that I found a while ago. It's really bad, so make sure to subscribe down below if you want to see that video. Also, make sure to go follow my Twitter, links in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, the link is always in the description. I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time. Let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, all three of these websites will be linked in the description below. So let's get started. First website here is schoolcheats.net. It has school sheets for quizzes, Edpuzzle, Quizlet, Booklet, Kahoot, and a lot more. So basically all you do, let's try the Kahoot one for example. You click on it, enter in the Kahoot ID, you can find that, and you can get answers for it and flood bots. You can ruin the Kahoot and win it all for yourself. It's super fun. And if you go back to the dashboard here, go to Quizlet here, get answers for a certain Quizlet. You can go to quizzes here, get a certain answer for that. And you can do it for Edpuzzle as well. My school uses that a lot, and you can get a ton of answers for Edpuzzle as well. So this site is pretty useful if you ask me. So let's just go on to the next one. This site here will help you if you're writing an essay or maybe a short paragraph or something. Basically, let's say you're writing an essay about World War II. Let's go to Google here and type World War II essay, copy and paste. Let's choose this site here. So let's copy this text here. I go back to the site, Control V, and it looks like you have to get premium for unlimited words, so we can just do a little bit at a time. We're gonna stop at a sentence here. Let's copy this and delete it, then click paraphrase. Now it is paraphrase this essay into your own words, and let's say you need the other part. Just delete this part here and paste the rest of it, then click paraphrase. Then it'll continue to write the rest of the essay for you, putting it in your own words so you won't get plagiarized for it. It's super cool. Now on to the last site here, which will especially help you with math. It's called mathpapa.com, and then basically what you do, you click get started here. You can place your equation in here and it will solve it for you with steps to show on your paper so the teachers don't think that you're cheating. If you scroll down here, it will show you a bunch of different methods you can use as well on this, because the same problem could have many outcomes, but you can choose whatever method you want on how to do it, so it's pretty cool. And yeah guys, these are the best school cheats on how to help you at school and not fail any of your classes. I really hope you guys enjoy. Yo, thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below. I subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.